Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you a very simple DIY hair growth tea spray that anyone can prepare at home. The good part of this tea spray, the ingredient is so easy to find at anywhere. This hair growth tea spray is super effective, so if you want to grow your hair or repair your damaged hair, you do not need to sleep on this recipe. So let me take you step by step how I prepare this powerful hair growth tea spray. To prepare this hair growth tea spray, first thing is to bring my clean jar. My first ingredient is cinnamon stick. You can also add the cinnamon powder if it's what you have. I will make use of 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. What I will do, I will piece the cinnamon stick into a small sizable and pour them into the jar container so that I can get all the benefit of this cinnamon stick. Cinnamon improve blood circulation. Cinnamon contain compound that may improve blood circulation to the scalp, increase blood flow, help deliver more oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles, promote healthy hair growth. Cinnamon stimulates hair follicles. Cinnamon contain antioxidant and antimicrobial effective. After piecing my cinnamon stick, do you see what I have so far? So I will keep it aside and bring my hot water, pour in hot water on it. I'm doing infusion method. You can also infuse this by boiling method, but you know that I love infusion method. If you want to use your own immediately, do boiling method. Put your pot in a fire, pour in water like 1 cup of water, put 1 stick of cinnamon stick. If you are using the powder one, put 1 tablespoon of your cinnamon stick. Boil this for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's 5 to 7 minutes, bring it down off the gas, allow it to cool down completely. After cooling down completely, you are ready to be used. So I'll be freezing mine for 2 days. Once it's 2 days, this is what I have so far. Do you see that this has released the nutrient? Do you see how darker this cinnamon is? This is very potent. Don't skip this video yet. I have more things that I will add on it that will make this cinnamon tea spray more powerful and more effective. After using my shifter to shifter it, the next thing I will add is my essential oils. Use any essential oil you have. I'm using rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, and mint essential oil. If you have more essential oil, please feel free to add it. After adding little drop of my essential oil, the last thing I add on it is my MSM powder. This will help a lot to make this tea spray more powerful and more potent. This tea spray is something that you will never regret using on your hair. If you really want to grow your hair faster, this tea spray is for you. If you don't have MSM powder, please don't worry yourself. Or if you don't have essential oils, please don't worry yourself. Only this cinnamon water is okay. It will do the good job for you. Next thing, I bring my spray bottle, transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. Do you see how powerful and how potent this tea spray look like? I will demonstrate to you on how to use this tea spray for that best result. This is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. My hair is super dry. Use the tea spray as a leave-in tea spray. After applying it on your hair, make sure that you massage your scalp properly to activate this tea spray more, make it more powerful and more potent. This tea spray, you can use it every day on your hair, okay, to treat your hair. but mainly focus on that problem area. If you have tiny edges, weak hair, use DT spray. Consistent of using DT spray for straight 1 to 2 months. Your hair will never remain the same. DT spray is a game changer. You will see faster results in using DT spray on your hair with consistency, because consistent is the key. To get the best results, don't rinse it out of your hair. Allow DT spray to sit on your hair. If your hair is super dirty before you come across this video, please, before you use DT spray, wash your hair first. After washing your hair, please go and prepare DT spray for me and start using it on your hair every day. You don't have anything to worry. DT spray is not protein, okay? It not contain protein. It's just normal tea spray. So please use it every day. It will not cause any harm on your hair. After applying it on my hair, I will massage my scalp. It's very necessary. Don't skip scalp massage. Another way you can use DT spray is as your final thin rinse. After your wash day, pour it all over your hair. Cover your hair 10 to 15 minutes. Remove your shower cap and also rinse it out. But if you like, don't rinse it out. This smells so nice. Don't need to worry about anything. You know that cinnamon sticks smell so amazing. So you don't need to worry about any bad smell or any horrible smell. Please, I did not show you how I use my sealant to see in the moisture. Make sure that you use your sealant to see in the moisture. It's very necessary. Don't just apply it and leave it like that, please. Unless your hair is already moisturized, unless your hair is already have good moisturize, like good butter or leave-in condition on your hair. Like if you're using it every day, it's not every day you'll be applying leave-in condition or oil on your hair. But for the first time, please make sure you use your leave-in condition, your hair butter or your oil to see in the moisture. I did not show you that. Doesn't mean that I did not see in the moisture on my hair. I hope you're understanding me. This tea spray can last only about 7 days in the refrigerator. Please, after 7 days, discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very interesting to you. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. I love you so much. Please, if you are not like, help me to click on that like button, subscribe, share, and leave a comment in comment section below. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.